So you probably clicked onto this video because you want to explore the worlds of Cardano. Everything between the JPEGs, the meme coins, and the foundation alike. In this video, I'll be giving you an entire in-depth look at the Cardano ecosystem and how to get started. Things such as which wallets to use, how to get your first ADA tokens, NFTs and marketplaces, DEXs and meme coins, where to swap your tokens, where to buy tokens, blue chips, and overall important accounts to take a look at. But hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Jerzy. I typically look at Solana styled content, but I am adapting into Bitcoin and Cardano. So stick around, like today's video, and subscribe. So obviously, first things first are going to be the wallet you use to do all your transactions across the ecosystem. In this case, we'll be using Vesper. Vesper is a non-custodial Cardano wallet that works in browser and on your phone. This is the @ I will also have links down below. It's as simple as just hopping on your browser, going to the Vesper Wallet download, and then add it to Chrome, add it to Brave, Microsoft Edge maybe, whatever you use as your primary, or go to the App Store and download it. Once you have the Vesper Wallet downloaded, you'll have a little section like this opened up on your browser. You'll go ahead and create an account. You'll get your seed phrase, and then you can start importing, exporting, buying, and exploring throughout JPEGs, meme coins, and even swapping inside the wallet as well. But once you have this wallet downloaded, you're probably going to want to get yourself some Cardano ADA tokens to use throughout the ecosystem, which can be as simple as using any central exchange, buying them, and then sending them over to your receive address. After that, you're probably going to want to get yourself an ADA handle, @ADA handle over on X. You can come here to handle.me, mint your own address for a fee of Cardano, and it's just a way to kind of personalize your name or get like a username throughout your wallet. When it comes to wanting to buy your first JPEG, your first NFT, exploring the options, maybe go for a mint, just check out what's happening, look at price action, volume, and everything in between. I like to use jpeg.store. This is probably one of the most popular, if not the most popular trading platform for NFTs on ADA. You can lend and borrow your ADA directly on the JPEG store. You can earn interest throughout this. There are rewards and seasons happening as well throughout it. And of course, the overall NFT collections. You can filter this out by all of them, past 30 days, all time, 7-day volume, 24-hour volume. Or if you want to be a little degenerate, go to the 1-hour mark and look for what's pumping, what's dumping, where to enter, where to exit. Click on any of these collections you guys want to go through, start looking at JPEGs you want to collect, and you can buy them with the click of a button. If you're interested in tracking, looking at charts, seeing what's up to date, seeing what's new, we're going to look at Tap Tools. Tap Tools is kind of an all-in-one platform for tracking everything chart related. I'm a little bit of a noob, I guess you could say, when it comes to things like these. But if you want to open up 40 different charts and have 60 different meme coins, seeing exactly which decimal they're dumping at, where the resistance lines are, and all of that jibber jabber, use Tap Tools. You can create your own dashboard, you can do your own watch list, you can start adding tokens and wallets and JPEGs and every little detail you want to know about statistics. Just throw it on this big complex looking sheet. So when I talked about buying your first ADA tokens, I said CAXs, central exchanges. But if you do want to use yourself a decentralized exchange, you can also use something like Saturn Swap. It's a fully decentralized exchange where you can swap tokens into Cardano, move it around as you please. Say you have a Solana. Not only do they have a reward system, tiered system, and everything in between, but it's just a simplified, decentralized exchange that you can use very smoothly. All right, so you're into Dex aggregation and you want to look at DeFi trading, DeFi loaning, DeFi borrowing. Well, come look at Dex Hunter. Say we're interested into the fuck token. Okay, I'm gonna click on fuck. Bada bing, bada boom. Start swapping yourself into it. You can limit trade it, you can swap it, you can DCA into these tokens. In my honest opinion, I would compare this to something like Jupiter over on Solana, but Dex Hunter is going to be one of your best friends throughout trading, swapping, and getting all your tokens in the right place while also watching charts, trends, and everything else. Something in my opinion that is a little bit outdated, but is still used by a bunch of people for nefarious reasons. I said nefarious, which I don't think is correct. That's like criminal or like disgusting. We're gonna keep it in the video though, because fuck it. Let's see NFT Tools. You guys can check out rarity of NFTs. Go over to their website, Toolheads, and just start looking into things as we go. So we got artwork, we have the crypto track, we have the tool token, we have the vault staking, we have the tool bot, balance updates, records of sales and purchases, notification, loan updates, watch list updates, and then we have the tool bot extension, which you can also put into your Chrome or Brave browser and have it all in one. You can earn emissions off your staking. You can trade the tool token to be a part of their kind of governance ecosystem. And you can look more into their roles as well behind their art. If you guys are interested in more the DeFi side of things, behind loaning and taking loans and borrowing and putting your collateral up to earn XYZ APR percentages and interest rates, yada, yada, yada. You know, if you know, check out Levy Finance. This is where you're going to go for all things considered on loaning and taking loans and providing liquidity for interest. Loans, market, manage, stats, and their light papers and everything else in between. Like I said, if you want to go to the marketplace and check out highest offers, current pools, offers, total locked up values, use this if you want to take loans and loan out your JPEGs. Say you want to borrow something, put up collateral, get the borrow in, pay it back on time. Similar to Sharkify over on Solana. If you guys are interested in the JPEG and NFT side of things, I'm going to start off with one of my favorites at the moment, and that's going to be Omen. Omen is an anime-inspired, styled faction PFP collection with girls, with boys, females, men, whatever you want to say. Bunch of cool trait sets. They've got staking. They have the Omni token. They have a very dope and active team as well. A very strong DAO behind their Discord, some Twitter group chats, and overall some of the better art that we have seen on Cardano to this date. And they are ramping up like crazy. Currently a pretty big fan of this project. I do hold 2 of these and I will continue to hold them for as long as I can or as long as I want to. Overall, I'm not trying to pump my bags. I just really support this project and the team behind it. They're great, they're active, community's ravage, and I think they have a pretty big shot of being something big on Cardano. Other than that, a couple of the other big OG blue chips on Cardano. We're going to start off with Space Buds. This project's been here since the start. It's not really like a PFP or like a PFP for me sort of project. It is just kind of one of those like grailed, looked at projects with their community and their founding team that have been here since the start of Cardano's JPEGs. Same thing kind of goes for the Ape Society. Massive amount of volume, massive community, big collection size, decent artwork. Again, not for me particularly, but it is one of those OG blue chips on Cardano. And then we have Clay Nation. Again, one of those projects with a 10K supply, good holder count, good community, strong backing to them as well with the foundation. Clean artwork. I would PFP one of these. This is more up my alley. I fuck with it heavy. I think it looks great and it can be repped. But again, blue chip of the Cardano space. And they do put a lot of emphasis over on their claymations and their animations alike, which come out great. And a massive shout out to Zero Kami, a brand ambassador of the Omen team. He did go ahead and make out this entire list of which websites to use, which wallets to use, how to get started. So I kind of use this as a basis. Give him all the love in the world. He's very generous, humble fucking dude. All the power to him. Drop him a follow right now. But yeah, that's going to be it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in Cardano, let me know down below. If you're already here, say what's up as well. Follow me on X at Jerzy NFT, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye-bye.